one, but man, I didn't add any water. I wanted my pounded yam very, very thick. So you want to just turn on your blender and just let it blend. This blends it very fast. Like this video I'm telling you now was not fast forward. This blender blends it very fast. So that's just it. When I want to make pounded yam, it takes me just about 2 minutes, including the dishing it. So you want to take out the blade. You have to be very careful because the blade is very sharp, and you want to take your scooping spoon and bring out your pounded yam. So this is the texture of the pounded yam, and that's me being a longer throat. Can't wait for dinner to start eating it. So this is me bringing out the pounded yam and scooping it into a little nylon just to give it that beautiful swallow shape. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. I love you guys. Bye. Subscribe to get how to make nice things too. Don't forget to turn on post notification, and please ignore my husband in the background. He's a very, very loud human being. On post notification so you can learn how to make new delicious recipes.